Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create fantastic presentations completely with an AI. So this presentation that you see, this one, this slide, this slide, this slide, this one, all of it was created with the help of an AI and it is completely free of charge. You can use it, you can create as many as you want, and then you can customize and export it to however you want it. So to start with, let me show you this particular AI tool. It is called Napkin AI. You can access it by coming to your browser, typing in Google, and then you can search for Napkin AI just like so. And then you hit on enter. You can see the first one, the visual AI for business storytelling. So it has incorporated new feature that you can now visualize or create fantastic presentation using this particular tool for free. Okay, so get visuals from your text. Napkin turns your text into visuals, so interactive. Sharing your ideas is quick and effective, very interactive, and you can see fantastic ideas that you can give you as regards the slides that you're going to create. So much to learn, but then you can come over here and say sign in. Now once you sign in, this is where you'll be brought in. You can always come to Napkin, and then you have the option to draft the presentation with their own AI, or you can import a file or blank napkin, depending. Let's say we are going to create a presentation about this. Okay, let's say we're going to create a presentation about this, the future of employment with the advent of AI. Okay, so this is the introduction. This is the key areas affected by AI in employment, and then these are the consequences and challenges of AI, and then we have the strategies to adapt to the AI-driven employment landscape, important emerging trends, and then conclusion. Okay, so let's say I want to create a simple presentation out of this. So what we need to do is, for example, we can copy this. So let's say we copy the whole of this, and then we go back to our Napkin AI. Now, instead of drafting with AI or importing with our file, let's go to a blank napkin, and then we can give it a title. Before then, let's paste this here, and then we can cut the title and put it here. All right, so let's say we have this title, the future of employment with the advent of AI. So okay, so let's start with the introduction. So we click on this while selecting the introduction. We click on this, and this is going to give us our introduction. So we can check through whichever one we want. So you can select on anyone. So let's say we'll go with something simple. Let me go with something like this. Let me make it a bit colorful. Now we have selected something for the introduction, benefits, strategies, and challenges. We have this slide now. So we can go to the next one, which is going to be key areas affected by AI employment. So you can come to the side over here. You can see this feature, generate visuals. You can select from this side. Can just select all of these. Okay, so and then you can click here, and then it's going to generate the visual for you. So you can see we have this. Let's select something simple. You can just click in to keep exploring the ones that they have, and I think I kind of like this one, so we'll go with something like this, make it more colorful. And now we have our second slide, the impact of AI on job roles. Okay, so we can go to the next one, which is benefits of AI on employment. So you can click out, and then we can just select and drag across. So we're going to generate for all of this, and then click on this. Now this is going to sweep through and generate the slide for us. And as you can see, it is giving us something very interesting. We can click, and I think I kind of like this one, so we'll go with something like this and something a bit more colorful. You can come down here, consequences and challenges of AI on employment. So we can come, select, and then we can drag up to here, and then come over here and click. You can do that for all of the text that you have, and if you have imported something also, you can do that as well. So let's say we have something. Okay, I think this is cool, so let's go with something like this, and let's see something like this. I think this is very much cool. Okay, so we go to the next one, which is strategies. We click here, and then from here we can select and move up to here. Okay, so we can click again to generate So this is how you're going to be doing for all your content, and then you're going to have it generally fantastically created. So I think I like this one. So we'll go with something like this, something more colorful. So we'll go to this next one, which is the last one, second to the last, which we're going to take on all, and then we're going to have our slide generated. Now, the best part of this is that you can customize the slides however you want it. I think I kind of like, okay, let's check around if we can have some things. I think I like this one. Let's go with this one. Much better. Only that it is a bit bigger, but we can resize it as we move on. So conclusively, you can come to the conclusion, and then you're going to generate this one as well. So let's see, in conclusion, this is what you're going to get. Okay, so let's say we have this one and this one, right? So conclusively, we have this. So we'll go back to all of these slides that we've generated, and then we can be able to download all of them. So let's hover over the slide, and then you can come over to this generation. Like I said, you can change everything, including the theme, the background coloration, as well as change the style if you're interested in changing the style. Now you can click to download, and then we can download it as a PNG, or we can download as PPT. I think better we just download them as PPT. So let's go back. Let's go back from the beginning. Click on the first option, download as PPT. Okay, download, so that it can be customizable based on what you have. You can easily edit it. Okay, so you can see your PowerPoint is ready. Okay, come to the next one here, come to download, and then export as PPT. Download, you just give it some seconds. Your download is ready. You go to the next one, you click on download, and you can see PPT. Come to download here, and then your PPT is ready. All right, go to the next one. So this is how you'll be doing for all the slides that you have generated. Just click on download, and then it's been downloaded. Okay, very fast. And then you can go to, I think, second to the last, click on download, and then you can click on download again. This one also is ready. Then down to this one, you can click, and then you can click also to download. So this is really, really interesting, and this is the last one. So you just click, and then we can download it directly. So now we finish all the downloads. You can come to your downloads, and you can open all of them, and then we can copy all of them. Okay, so these are all the slides. You can go to the desktop, for example. You can say presentation. Okay, so let's move them here. So we have to open all of the PowerPoints. All right, so this is it, and you can see everything here is editable. You can see the text are editable. Even the elements, you can edit them. You can customize them to however you want them. So you can, this is the first one. You can open the second one, and maybe you can make this one the model PowerPoint. So you can open this one. All you need is just to copy and then close. And then we can come over here and just add this. You can go to the next one, double click, copy the slide. You can come back here and select and paste. You can close on this, and then you can go to the next one. Okay, copy the slide, close this, and then you're back here. You can see. So go to the next one, copy the slide, close, and then you're back here and paste. Okay, so you do the same for all of them. Copy the slide, close, you're back here to paste. All right, so then the last one, you just copy, and then we close. We're back here, can just paste it. Okay, so now you have your presentation, which you can save, and you can even change the background. You can change the theme. If you want to change, you can come to the design here, and you can change the theme also if you want to change it and make it much more professional and nice. Okay, so you can see you've just changed everything, and now you have some fantastic editable presentations that you can easily play around with, all generated created by an AI. So you can see wonderfully you have created a wonderful presentation. So basically this is it. You can go ahead and explore and try and see how you can use this Napkin AI to your own advantage. And the best part of it is that everything here is completely free, and you can try it again using their own AI feature, or if you have it somewhere, you can just import the presentation and you can continue with your work. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the use of AI to generate a presentation completely for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.